Hi everyone, this is Dr. Erdoğan by Smile Hair Clinic. Today I would like to show you a patient result that we did in 2022 and we had the end result with his 12-month photos. So let's start with his case. He's 47 years old, a Turkish man living in Germany. He applied to us because his frontal was receding and temporal parts as well. He has some crown problems too. So we accepted him and we started his surgery. So let's start with his file. First, he haven't used any medication like finasteride or minoxidil before. So it was the first application to a hair loss or hair transplant surgeon. So we examined his scalp area. We also check his donor area and we accepted him as we are doing for something around 4,500. In the end, we complete his operation with 5,300 and let's start checking his photos. So whatever he sent to us, we can see that his frontal part was receded for a long time, and in these kind of patients, if the hair loss is continuing for a long time, it means that the circulation could be a little bit diminished and the transplanted hairs could be not growing in well. That's a problem with most of the patients for long-term hair loss problems. So in the photos, as you see, you can't see the donor area well. That's one of the problems that we see in the examination time, because sometimes patients send us with longer hair and we can't evaluate it. But once we shave it, we check this donor area and it was okay. So you can see in these photos that his hairs are thick, which is very good in terms of the donor quality. The size still okay, not too much, and we just try to take grafts from the safe donor area. And we can see some singles and some multiple hairs as well. So in terms of total, we had a better number that we expected. I planned a good hairline for him. I think it's around better for his appearance. And as you see, we also planned something for the crown because he needs something in the crown as well. So frontal part, mid-scalp and crown was our planning, and we did this operation according to the planning. As you see, this is the transplantation and transplantation in the end of the operation. We give the importance, and more prior to the frontal part, we did the transition to the mid-scalp, and we also did some crown area, as you see in the photos right now. Okay, so it's ended up with 5,300 grafts. According to his end photo in the end of the surgery, you can see the line is okay, everything looks great. So let's start how he has a progress. So this is the first month photos that you can see that he lost many of the hairs that we transplanted. There is a demarcation area that you can see with the redness. It's very normal in the first month. His donor area started to heal. It's better, not too great, but still okay. Let's check his third month photos. It started to grow, as you see. Even it was an empty area. Now we can see some hairs. Just do not forget something. These hairs are not synchronized. They are not growing in once. That's why we always tell to the patients after the third month we can expect some growth until the 12th month, but it doesn't mean that in the third month it all grows. It's not. Each follicular unit is unit and they are asynchronized. So this is his photos from top at the third month, and it looks a little good. His donor area started to heal better, and his crown area. Okay, let's check his 6-month photo right now. Wow, he's a different man already. As you see, it's not the full density right now, you can't see, but it has already achieved a nice result for him. I think he's still happy in this month too. If you check his photos, crown area is even normally more prolonged results we see, but here it looks better, and it's from the top appearance, it looks also okay, I think. So he's a total different man. Yes, he has a longer hair. Now he's a shorter hair, but fuller front. I think it changed his evaluation. I just wanted to tell you something about this. In not each patient we can see a full dense result, because It is also related with the donor quality and the graft number and graft numbers distribution. Sometimes they are very thin, they are very single, the donor area is not too large, we do not have very high graft number, and the transplanted area is large. So at these times we can't see too much density because we need to use that density also in the crown or in the mid scalp too. His grafts were very good actually. We have the photos of the grafts as well, so it's thick, so we can achieve a better result. Let's see the 12-month photo. And the density is super, as you see. It's not like a hair transplant patient. It looks like he has already hair. It is how it appears from top, nearly full. From side, it looks very good, very natural. And let's see the crown. This is a good crown result, by the way. We always tell these to the patients, as you see. The crown area results are not too great sometimes because of the circulation problems, and we do not do so high density to that area, but now we can see that he has a good crown area appearance too. Mostly the patients are having some importance to donor area, which also we give to. So they wanted to see how it looks like after even these numbers. It looks like very good, as you see. It is not like transplanted. Maybe if he has a shorter hair, yes, it might be seen more, but with this kind of length, it looks good. So patient is very happy. We are happy as well. If you have still questions, please write in the below, so we will answer them quickly. Thank you for watching this case with me.